How to write quality articles. Writing articles is probably the best way of promoting your website these days. It gives you the chance to seriously increase the amount of backward links your website has, links which are also on a one-way basis, and helps you to spread your message and website across the net. In this article, I describe how to write these articles to make the biggest impression and to get the maximum impact. My name is Stephen Hill, and I write articles for my own websites and am also asked to write articles for other people. These are the areas I think are most important when writing articles. Article length. Your article should not be too long. The reader should be able to read your article in between 3 and 5 minutes. Keep it simple. Not everyone who reads articles on the internet are brain surgeons. Keep it simple by using easy-to-understand text. Short paragraphs. Keep each paragraph fairly short, on average about 3 to 5 lines. Make it interesting to read. When writing, try to write from the heart with a passion. Keep the reader interested and make it fun. Give the reader a reason to read the article. The article should have lots of free advice and information which is likely to be of use to the reader.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.